Welcome to today's session on financial planning tailored for individuals aged 30 to 40 in the USA. In this stage of life, it's crucial to make smart decisions about saving and investing to secure your future financial well-being. Let's dive into some strategies and options available to you. One of the first steps towards financial security is to establish an emergency savings fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account or a money market fund. This fund will serve as a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or job loss, providing peace of mind and financial stability. Maximizing contributions to retirement accounts is crucial for long-term financial security. If your employer offers a 401(k) or similar retirement plan, consider contributing enough to take full advantage of any employer matching contributions. Additionally, explore contributing to an individual retirement account, IRA, either traditional or Roth, depending on your tax situation and retirement goals. Diversification is key to managing risk and optimizing returns. Consider investing in a mix of asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds are popular investment vehicles that offer diversification within each asset class. Depending on your risk tolerance and investment horizon, adjust the allocation of your investments accordingly. Tax efficiency can significantly impact your investment returns over time. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts such as health savings accounts, HSAs for medical expenses, 529 plans for education savings, and municipal bonds for tax-free income. Additionally, consider tax loss harvesting and strategic asset location to minimize tax liabilities. Navigating the complexities of financial planning can be overwhelming. Consider seeking guidance from a certified financial planner, CFP, or investment advisor to create a personalized financial plan tailored to your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. A professional can provide valuable insights, optimize your investment strategy, and help you stay on track towards achieving your long-term objectives. In summary, individuals aged 30 to 40 in the USA have numerous options for saving and investing money to build financial security. By establishing emergency savings, maximizing contributions to retirement accounts, diversifying investments, optimizing tax efficiency, and seeking professional guidance, you can lay a solid foundation for a secure financial future. Start taking proactive steps today to secure a brighter tomorrow. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, financial empowerment begins with informed decision-making. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on managing your finances effectively.